My name is Otteh, and I am the service delivery lead of Okra Solar. So what I love about the company culture at Okra is that on our lists of values and virtues, which is who we are and how we work, we place the community at number one. And that is really reflected in the way we implement our processes and procedures. So I don't think we have very typical days here at Okra, or at least I don't in my job, because the position has evolved quite a lot over the past few years. My days can range from in-person hackathons where we have a half day of collaboration, decision-making, creative thinking, to managing partners, my remote teams across the world, or it's more involved with troubleshooting and more technically engaged. So yeah, no 2 days are alike here for me. My favorite part about working at Okra is that I actually get to balance being quite field active, involved in the field, seeing the impact on the ground, with being involved in strategic decision making and deciding how our product needs to innovate to meet those challenges on the ground. The way that Okra supports innovation in the workplace is through hiring outstanding, diverse people and giving them the independence to do what they were hired for. I think when you give people the freedom to express themselves in their work, then their experience, their background, their knowledge all comes together to actually promote innovation. So I'm very much into my personal development, my growth, and work is an element of that, but so is trying to learn how to do rock climbing, trying to learn how to surf, trying to travel a lot, trying to figure out other ways I can actually do positive impact into the world with my time. What I would tell someone who wants to work at Okra is that if you truly believe that having access to energy is a human right and feel like you want to do something about those who don't have access, then yeah, apply now.